Yeah, so that's the real traditional culture. They have cut the first rope. We are here waiting for the second rope. That's the process. We cannot navigate the process. We must follow it accordingly, according to the Ashebi rules and regulations. And so, yes, so, yeah, again, they want more money before they will call the last rope. That is the culture. It has been existing from day one, and it can never be stopped. Yeah. Yeah, so we're approaching the last section that our bride will be coming. Our beautiful bride, you're looking beautiful. It's your day. Enjoy yourself. When you talk of igbo bride, we get some here. Looking beautiful. And yeah. Again. Yo. Now you enjoy part. Yes, so. Now you enjoy part. Yes, sir.
The Asia Prince. The Asia Prince. We say to recognize you. You are recognized. I'm not enough for everywhere. No
again, Yapotuba. Over here, yes, Yapotuba. Again, Adam wearing kabasi. Yaribeya. Again, Adada. money na water. Yeah, Potuba. Yes. Again. Money na water. That was Potuba. Yes, you can see now. The first thing she did was to make sure that she put on her husband the hand bangle first, which was the first thing that was done. And she has to dance back to do small shakara, looking so beautiful as the queen she is. Yes, so money na water. Ugegbo Igbo. Yeah, Potuba. The queen is ready for today. Now is the necklace, but she has to do her shakara first before she wear it. Sugar, yeah. She's dressing the husband now, yes. Yes, that's the necklace now. Yes, so that's the traditional culture, yes. The last part is the cap. Yeah. Yes, so I get it. The queen is ready to welcome the husband. Yeah. And I get them for everywhere. Yes, so.
Akujeze 2026.
Yeah. Scissors. The scissors to cut the rope. This is the part that you have to do the main shakara for her husband first before welcoming your husband. Yes. Yeah. She have changed her mind to go back again. Again. Yes, now. Again. Clear road. Una money kill am. Yes, so. Again. Yadaba. Everybody they wait. Better soup na money kill am. Yes, so. Yes, so. Again. Your husband is now welcome now. Event starts. Again. Yeah, Potuba there. Yes, so money na water. Yadaba. That's so. Yes, so. Yes. Potuba there.
Chinechere m okwu. Chinechere m Oluchukwu Azegba now.
Your name have changed. Yes. Let's go today. Let's go tata.
I'm very happy. I'm so excited.
So we should enjoy. You're excited. We should eat whatever we want to eat and enjoy ourselves. That you're excited. Okay. Your wife says she's excited. We should enjoy everything. We should get there. Okay, so put the guntaja. Enough from there. Munye ku chafra chaf.
Oh, put them children, children. I need to make children come now. Oh, children, children. I got to children, children. Yeah.
I know I don't know that my friend enjoy yourself and have fun. Congratulations. Thank you. Indagan. Agwa Enugu kono no ntafum ne unu so yezo yo ya bia no eni ya gbanta na gini.
Ihe m nwere ka ogwa abụ. Ya na marriage eje bi n'udo no. Hey, amụta nwoke, amụta nwaanyị. Ihe na-eri akụkọ and ihe eji azụ ụmụ akụkọ. Ya bụ ekpere m na-ekpe na.
Ndolenu.
Anyị nwere Supreme Empire.
Empire Club of Enugu. The celebrity native doctor, High Chief Alhaji Ba.
Tiger. Idaga.
Alhaji Zuma.
Give me where you are going. I don't turn around from there. You know the reason you're in there. You have
No, but I'm a club of a married man. I am the common and I so join am I. No go for the enough. Okay, it's no good. Alhaji Ba kama kwa. Alhaji Ba Brian ni nuzo ha. Ipo buku. Home na gonna no ka bana. The aquansos and he who finds wife. So no ka bana is no ya. No we do by na go no ka dana. No. Brother man. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Dimas and Crab, good evening.
Okay.
Good evening.
Big Sam.
Big Sam. Good evening, Hannah.
Ah?
Good evening, Hannah.
Anomaga.
No, that's all you took. If you get food, you do back and noise. Say, I'll be here and me.
Well, oh, my bye, later. So, you know, we are just trying to. I know, observing things. Yeah, Where you are going, to have made you no wine, no one. Where you are going, you say, I made you no wine, no one. You know, the immigrant marriage are easy, you know. So, and today is a special day in his life, and you know, I wish him well. So, I'll let him know and at the same time, all the easy. So, no, I wish him well, and I pray that Chukudano and his Nyan be of marketing and nice meeting you. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you, man. I'm with Dimas and Crabs. Pleasant Nation.
Where you work on you work on your club on this Sobiata.
As no gathering matter, over ya. As no edge to town to raise beef, and I as beef again, Malandia. Go tag a one goes to Gabelia. And may wish you and come. Thank you. OGB. Where you are going, you walk on that. Nabunjemu Obidoruntan.
Hit the marriage, you know. If I free beggar food there. But the problem I wish them peace and unity. That's the most important thing. So understanding that was important thing. So I never going to go now. From today, I'm talking about that's good. Dindu Kanka. So now the marriage guys go very far in their life. That's a lot. I am the Supreme Empire Club of Enugu State. So I don't know our member. That is Akujeze one. Our financial secretary in Supreme Empire. Met today.
Brother, Idagan. Good bed in Maragam.
Felana, Cambodia.
nke Kutikọ.
Fela Kuti.
Fela, gị nwere agwa onye gị nọrọ ezigbo akụkụ ya azụ Fela ibu.
Ihe m na-agwa bụ na ọ bata mana ihe anyị batara na ma ekpere anyị n'isi bụ na ha ya ebi n'udo mụta nwoke mụta nwaanyị meme ebe ebumnobi ha. My advice to him bụ ekwele 3 party na ọbata na marriage ya na anything ha na-eme ka o kwesịrị ya adịghị settle anya n'ime onwe ha n'oge ka eme onwe everlasting marriage da n'oge 3 party ba na so onwe ihe ga emeshole my prayer bụ na ọhịa dị n'ọhịa dị n'nwunye ọhịa ihe ilo na-eme ya gaa n'ọfụma.
Onye anyị n'obe ya ịhụrụ ndị klọb gị be nọ ma ebe a nọ onye gara abụ mmemme a na-eme nta ma ha agụgbo ụmụ ọhọ dị iche iche ihe ele na-agwa gị bụ ga-ebutere third party na marriage gị ma ha ewu isi gị nwoke na nwaanyị n'ihe ọma niile gbasara di na nwunye gị bi nwere ya agwa ha ga-ebe a nọ onye gị nta.
Anụgo m ihe kwuru advice ihe nyere m ya agba mbọ maintain that advice ya bụ advice ị ga-eweta ihe ọma na ọ bụghị ejọ advice na ọ bụ ezigbo advice.
And I say congratulations. Oh, thank you.
The celebrity wedding doctor. Ozana Bimayoke. Ozana Bimayoke. You are the happy band. You are the happy band. The Asian Prince. The Asian Prince. Now this prince. Nigeria on Enugu. Empire Club of Enugu on Mama body for this spring. Mama body for the Empire officer. I'm a Hatiba. Asia Tiger. Come. You want to learn? Yes, sir. Let's go to make a meeting. Let's go. Who's here? I'm going to very fast. Yo. I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to Thank you. That's